If you want to make professional-looking videos faster, then learning how to use CapCut templates on a PC or laptop is a huge shortcut. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find a template, replace the default clips with your own media, and export the final edit without getting lost in the process. This is perfect if you want clean transitions, trendy styles, and an easy workflow without building everything from scratch. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the CapCut desktop app on your PC or laptop. Once the app is launched, look at the left-hand menu and click on the Templates tab. This is where CapCut keeps its ready-made video styles, and it's one of the easiest ways to create polished content in just a few minutes. When you open the Templates section, you'll see a variety of designs available, so take a moment to browse through the categories and see what fits your video style. If you already know what you're looking for, you can also use the search bar to find a specific template style. For example, you might search for something like travel, vlog, cinematic, photo slideshow, or social media edit, depending on the kind of content you want to make. This is really helpful because it saves time and helps you match the template to your footage instead of forcing your footage to match the template. Once you find a template you like, hover over it and click Use Template. CapCut will open that project and load the template into the editing timeline. At this point, you'll notice that the template already has pre-made clips, effects, and timing built in. That's the main advantage of using templates, because most of the creative structure is already done for you. Now, it's time to replace the default clips with your own media. In the timeline, click on each placeholder clip one by one. After selecting a clip, look for the Replace button, or in some cases, the plus icon. Click that option, and then upload your own photos or videos from your computer. Once your files are imported, choose the media you want to use in that spot. After you replace a clip, make sure it fits properly in the frame. You may need to adjust the crop, position, or duration so it matches the template's layout. This is important because every template is designed with a certain pacing and visual flow, so taking a moment to fit your content properly will make the final video look much smoother and more professional. Repeat the same process for each placeholder until all of the template clips are replaced with your own content. As you work through the template, don't be afraid to preview the video a few times. This helps you check if the visuals, timing, and transitions all look right before exporting. If something feels off, you can always go back and swap out a clip or adjust the framing. That little bit of extra checking can make a big difference in the quality of the final result. When everything looks good, it's time to export and save your video. Find the export option in CapCut, choose your preferred settings, and then save the finished file to your computer. Depending on your project, you may want to select the resolution and format that works best for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or whatever platform you're uploading to. Once the export is complete, your video is ready to share. And that's really all there is to it. Using CapCut templates on PC or laptop is one of the fastest ways to create eye-catching videos without spending hours editing from scratch. If you followed along and this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.